Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Factory reset could be useful if you want to sell the watch to somebody, give it away to somebody. Maybe you want to connect it to another device. Anything that would require you to disconnect your watch from a phone and also from your account and remove the settings from it. It could also be like a last resort fix, basically. You could try to factory reset your watch to fix something on it. But like I said, it's a last resort thing because you lose all of your data and settings from your watch when you do it. So let's get started. And to factory reset our watch, we need to first make sure that the battery is charged, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So find the battery level. For me, it's 70%, so that's fine. Anything above 20 would be good, in my opinion. Okay, and once the battery is charged, we need to open the menu, and you can do it by swiping left or pressing the lower button. Then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, look for the option called the system and tap on it. And here, look for the factory reset. And once you find it, tap on it. As you can see, it tells us that we're gonna lose all of our data and settings, but you can check some boxes next to the data types to retain some data. For example, you can retain the local music, map, golf, App Store apps, watch faces, and workout history. So if you factory reset your watch, you can always retain some data if you check the boxes. Okay, and then you can tap on confirm. And now let's wait until the reset is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.